previous class. In the previous class, we learned about the animations and transitions, right? So I'm going to say what do you mean by animation and transition? Okay. For your recollecting purpose, I'm repeating this once again for you. See, transition. You can find the transition here. Transition to this slide. Okay. So it is the visual effect that occurs when you move from one slide to the next slide during the presentation. You can control the speed, sound, and customize the look of the transition effect. Okay, and about animation, so it is an effect. It is a special visual or sound effect added to the text, or it may be an object on the slide. It is also possible to animate the text on other objects using the buttons on the animation effects toolbar. Okay, so here you can find the animation tab. Custom animation, you can set the animations. Okay, so today we are going to see the book back exercises of this lesson. Ma'am, we can set different designs, ma'am. Yes, you can select it from the slides design, Pugarendi. Okay. So in the slides design, you can set the design of your slide. If you need, you can additionally download the slides design from the internet also. Okay. So second lesson, book back exercises, fill in the blanks. First one, the transitions are displayed in the transition to this slide group. Whether it is visible for you children? I think it is visible now. Yes, okay. Thank you children. The transitions are displayed in the transition to this slide group. The transitions are displayed in the transition to this slide group. Just repeat after me, children. At the end of the session, I will ask some questions, okay? Someone is annotating. Please stop annotating, children. Transitions are displayed in the transition to this slide group. Second one, the play button is used to preview the animation of the current slide. So through the play button, we can see the preview, right? The play button is used to preview the animation of the current slide. Third one, the speed of a transition is selected from the transition speed list. See, at the right corner, we can able to set the transition speed, no, slow, fast, medium, like that. We see no. So that is the transition speed. Okay, the speed of the transition is selected from the transition speed list. To begin an animation, when we click the slide, the timing option is selected. Yes, you can find the timing option, right? So at the right end, you can find the timing options. So to begin an animation, when we click the slide, the timing option is selected. Fifth one, we can specify the number of slides to be printed on one page using the slides per page box. See, if you click the print button, one print screen will appear, right? So there, just scroll the screen, you can find at the end of the screen. Just a minute. See, I'm going to click the print button. Print screen will appear. So here you can see. If I select handouts, it will ask slides per page. Okay. So how many slides we need? It's our wish. Okay. So here we have to mention the slides per page. I need 6 or 9. You have to mention and then go for the preview and see. Can you able to see, children? This is the preview. Okay. So we can specify the number of slides to be printed on one page using the slides per page box. I'm repeating it once again. The transitions are displayed in the transition to this slide group. The play button is used to preview the animation for the current slide. See, you can see here. Here you can find the transition speed. Here you can set the time. Okay, here you can see the play button. The speed of the transition is selected from the transition speed list. To begin an animation, when we click the slide, the timing option is selected. We can specify the number of slides to be printed on one page using the slides per page box. So now we are going to see true or false. The manner in which one slide follows the other in a presentation is called animation. This statement is wrong. What is that called? That is called transition, right? The manner in which one slide follows the other in a presentation is called transition. Here they have given us animation. So the statement is false. Okay. The manner in which one slide follows the other in a presentation is called animation. False. The manner in which one slide follows the other in a presentation is called animation. False. Second one, the custom animation button is present in the transition to this slide group. This statement is also false because it is present on the animation tab. See here, where it is present? It is present on the animations tab. You can find the transition to the slide here only, no? Ritik version. Ritik Saran, stop doing this. So you can find the custom animation in the animations tab. Okay? So the statement is false. The custom animation button is present in the transition to this slide group. False. Third one, the apply to all button adds the selected transition effect to all the slides in the presentation. Yes, it is true. If we click the apply to all button, the selected transition effect will be added to all the slides, right? So the statement is true. The apply to all button adds the selected transition effect to all the slides in the presentation. True. Fourth one, we can print only the notes section of a presentation. False. We can able to print the slides also, no? So the statement is false. We can print only the notes section of the presentation. False. It's okay, Ritvik said, no problem. It's in the class. We can print only the notes section of a presentation. False. Fifth one, To run a presentation automatically, we can set the transition time. Yes, it is true. See, if we set the transition time for 2 seconds or 3 seconds like that, it will automatically shows the next slide after 2 seconds, right? So this statement is true. To run a presentation automatically, we can set the transition time true. I am repeating it once again. The manner in which one slide follows the other in a presentation is called animation. False. Second one, the custom animation button is present in the transition to this slide group. False. Third one, the apply to all button adds the selected transition effect to all the slides in the presentation. True. Fourth one, we can print only the notes section of a presentation. False. Fifth one, to run a presentation automatically, we can set the transition time. True. Last Roman, answer in 1-1. Okay. We can click this arrow to see all the available transitions. More arrow. We can see one drop down arrow there, no? So that is called more arrow. See? We can click this arrow to see all the available transitions is more arrow. Okay? We select this checkbox to play the animation again. Rewind when done. Where we seen this rewind when done? In the animations tab, right? See? I have set one already. I have set one animation here. Click this drop down arrow. See, by clicking the timing tab, you can see rewind when done playing. Okay. So we select this checkbox to play the animation again as rewind when done. We select this checkbox to play the animation again as rewind when done. Third one, when we select this checkbox, we can view a demo of the selected animation. Auto preview option. We can find at the right end, right? Yes. When we select this checkbox, we can view a demo of the selected animation auto preview option. So by enabling the auto preview option, we can see the demo of the selected animation. Fourth one, this list allows us to apply sounds during the transition sound. So through the transition sound, we can able to apply sounds for our transitions, right? So the answer is transition sound. This list allows us to apply sounds during the transition sound. Fifth one, this list allows us to select the rate at which the transition is played. Delay. By clicking the delay option, it allows us to select the rate at which the transition is played. I am repeating it once again. We can click this arrow to see all the available transitions. More arrow. Second one, we select this checkbox to play the animation again. Rewind when done. When we select this checkbox, we can view a demo of the selected animation. Auto preview option. So this list allows us to apply sounds during the transition transition sound. Fifth one, this list allows us to select the rate at which the transition is played the day. So with this, yeah, second lesson, look back exercises of over. Okay, now I'm going to show you a simple animation video. Okay, just observe the video because I'm going to give activity in this. Okay, you have to create a PowerPoint presentation. Animations and transitions should be present in your PowerPoint presentation. Okay. Can you able to see the screen, children? Harihara Sudan, I think it is visible only. Whether the video is visible for you? Yes, thank you. Thank you, children.
It's visible, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Just observe, children. So in the shapes group, we are creating a ball. So we are opening the animation pan. We are going to apply animation. Very good, Disney. You practiced already. Very good, very good. So from the motion path, we are going to set the animation. Custom path. We can draw. We can draw the path through this option. This is your preview. So hope you all can understand Please do chat in the chat box, children. If you have any doubts, please do chat in the chat box. No doubts. Very good, Caleb. Can I give an activity in this PowerPoint presentation, children? Can you able to do? No doubts. Okay. Yes. Okay. So by this week, I will post a activity for you. Okay. I will give option in the form itself. There's any add file option I will give. Okay. No system in your house, Arish. That's not a problem, Arish. You just take a piece of paper and try to draw it. Okay. In one slide, one design, and in another slide, different design. We can set map. Yes, it is possible, but it is a little bit tough for you. Okay. By changing the layout also, you can see the difference in the slides. No, I think that is enough. Okay. Any other doubts, children? I will try. Okay, very good, isn't it? 3 laptops. Okay. Children, those who are not having a system, that's not a problem. I think take a piece of paper and try to draw in that paper alone. Just draw one slide. Just draw it creatively. Whatever you need to do with the system, you can show your thing in the paper. Okay. 15 minutes. Okay, very good. So through that Google Forms only you have to send Caleb. I will give the attach file option, or else you can send a screenshot to me. That is enough. Okay. I will provide both the things in that form only. Okay. Okay, children, it's time. We will meet in the next class. So in the next class, we are going to see the quick revision and our third lesson. Okay. Thank you, children. Stay safe inside your home. Don't go anywhere. Eat healthy foods. Okay. Thank you, children. Bye.